Binuksan kamakailan ng Echoes of Inspiration Group Art Show ng Filipino Visual Arts Advocate o FABA sa Robinson's Land Art Tablado sa Robinson's Galleria. Itinatampok dito ang makukulay at magagandang paintings na nagpapahayag at nagpapakita ng samut-saring tanawin, dalangin at hangarin ng mga participating visual artists. Ayon kay Tay Leonardo, tagapangulo ng FABA, bahagi ng kanilang misyon ang makapaglikha at makapagbahagi ng mga likhang sining na nakapagbibigay ng inspirasyon sa marami pang ibang tao.
As you can see, the artworks of FABA are truly inspiring. It is the mission and goal of our organization to create art that heals, persuades, and inspires. So from the beautiful Dario series of Maestro Brando Bati, the glowing paintings of Pedro Masipag, also known as Rico Abunso, the one-of-a-kind landscape from Maestro Adler Llagas, the beautiful depiction of Cubism by Aris Ventures, the happy Filipino characters of Mr. Dudes Iligan, the one-of-a-kind mountains as depicted in the paintings of Mr. Daniel Dumagit. Of course, we have a new member, Attorney Joe Menendez, who artistically paints the Lucky Rooster, if you can see it on the wall.
Matutunghayan ang nasabing eksibisyon sa Level 2 ng Robinson's Galleria hanggang sa October 30. Ako, si Chris Lucas, nag-uulat para sa Sining Pilipinas.